slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? iReviewStuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Cactus Jack or Travis Scott Jordan 6s. These are from my boy Will over at sneakerworld.com. They are a UA pair. These shoes have not released yet. Rumored to be released on the 15th of September. So we'll see how that plays out for you guys that want to get retail. But this is the budget option, super affordable compared to retail, and the quality is definitely there. If you don't like what you see and you don't fuck with that part of the sneaker game, it's as easy as getting off the video. It's that easy, man, that easy. But I digress. Let's get into it, guys. If you're new to the channel and you do like what you see though, hit that subscribe button, show some love by dropping a like on the video, turn it on your notifications for the channel, and last but not least, following Instagram. Link will be in the description. So this took about a week, give or take, to get here with EMS. Double box from Will. He always has super good packaging. Quality is always on point. Customer service, you can talk to him on WeChat, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, bunch of different venues to communicate with them on after ordering. So let's get into it though, man. Not gonna take too long with mumbling and jumbling. Let's just get into the shoes finally. So this is the website. The website is sneakerworld.com. Instagram is at WillsKicks_RU, and the WhatsApp is right there as well. So you can contact him either through Instagram, WhatsApp, and then I don't know what his WeChat is, but I talked to him on that as well. You can ask for his WeChat if you want on Instagram. So if you use the code iReviewStuff, you can save yourself $15 on this pair or any other pair of shoes on his website. So keep that in mind. Not forcing y'all to buy anything, just to save my ass. I don't condone buying any of this stuff. This is what I'm just showing you what to expect if you do end up purchasing off any of these sites. So with all that being said, let's get into it, man. Put the shoes to the side real quick. This is the box it comes with. You can see the box is in immaculate condition, as always. Usually from WillsKicks, he always packages his box great, so there's usually no issues unless your box really gets dinged up by the postal service. So got the red Jumpman, got the olive background on this. It's just a regular Jordan 6 box besides the different color changes for the most part. Over on this side, you do have just a colorway, so Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, which I heard stands for Special Project. Medium olive, infrared black. Says, let's see. It says medium OLNE, whatever that means. I don't know. It's supposed to be olive, but pretty sure that's just a color code for it. US 13, made in China. You got the RFID right there. Just letting you know that there usually is an RFID tag on these shoes somewhere, I guess. And also USD, which is $250. It is the retail price that these will be going for. So you got the red Jumpman on this side, Cactus Jack logo on this side. Over on this side, you do have the red Jumpman again with the Air, and then you got the Travis face. Bottom, you just got some Nike branding and some Jordan branding, nothing crazy. Inside of the box, it is just a nice glossy premium looking red, nothing else to it, just paper. And then he did also send a little freebie, which is the off-white Jordan 1s in the black colorway. So that's pretty cool, a little keychain. So if you want to throw these on your keys or whatever the case may be, go for it. Yeah, so it's pretty much all you get. I don't think any of this paper has Cactus Jack branding on it. I don't think it's supposed to on these, but yeah, so you get white and black, whatever. I know y'all don't really care, but it is what it is. So let's get to the shoes finally. These are the Cactus Jack 6s, guys. Give you a little shot like that. I did review a pair from where was that pair from? I'm wearing them right now. I just forgot where they were from. I honestly forgot. Oh yeah, they're from WillsKicks. Yeah, so I did review another pair. They're from WillsKicks. This pair I can already tell is a lot more updated for sure. So if you do want to cop these, I would say this, as far as I know, WillsKicks, definitely. These might even be his GOAT shoes, GOAT version of these. These are fire, man. Like just the detailing, I'll go over a couple little differences that I noticed right off the bat, but let's get into it. You do get a pair of black laces with Jumpman logo on the bag, and then a pair of yellow laces with the Jumpman logo on the bag. I believe those are laces supposed to come with. That's one difference from this pair to the pair I got from WillsKicks. The WillsKicks pair did not come with extra laces, so it's nice to see that on this one. Beyond that, one big difference I did see is, as you guys can see, you can kind of see that this area where it's that canvas material leading up to, like, usually it's like neoprene on the 6s, but you can see it is distressed, like down to like the air, like little air holes and stuff, and then it kind of looks like distressed denim. Moving up to here, it's the most noticeable. Up on the tongue, this is how they retail ones will be. They will be distressed just like that. So that's a big thing. Over time, my WillsKicks pair, which is a pair I'm gonna rock the most, just because I want to keep this pair kind of DS, just as a display pair. That's why I got two. Over time, I'm sure this will end up happening, but it's a lot more defined on this pair than the other pair that I got. So that's already one plus that this pair has up on that. Beyond that, you can see just a regular build of the shoe. Perfect, it's immaculate. No glue stains really anywhere as well, which is always nice to see on an all suede shoe. You got the Cactus Shack branding on the right shoe. That A looks messed up, but it did look messed up on my WillsKicks pair, and I believe it will look messed up when the retail pair drops as well, just because with the ones, the Travis Scott 1 lows, the stitching on the back was terrible on the UA pairs, and then the retail pairs dropped on the Travis's site, and the stitching was also awful on the back of those as well, where it says Air Jordan and it has a little Wings logo. So guess we'll see. Inside the shoe just says Nike Air. Size men's 13 does come with this official sticker. You can see size tag right there as well, US 13. Got that little QR code. So these are like super official looking, man. Super official looking. You can see the little pocket with the little Travis face on the inside, which is kind of like the main, I don't want to say main thing and just detract from the rest of the shoe, but it is definitely one of the big things on the Travis 6s is that little pocket. So it's nice to see the quality on that's on point. Stitching all over the shoe is on point as well. You can even see like the Jumpman right there, looking good. So there's really no corals with the shoe. You can see the little 3M holes underneath. One of them is stuffed with something that I see. Should be able to just pick that out with like a toothpick or something like that. It's just bothering me right now, so I'm trying to get it on video just to show you guys how easy it is usually to get stuff like this out. I might do it on my own time. It might be coming out now. Yeah, so it came out. See, that's how easy, and then it's clean. So yeah, here and there you might get stuff like that on UA shoes, but it's easy to deal with. Like you saw, the suede is still fine. Again, I didn't even mention, but the color change in suede is super nice on these as well. You got the 3M holes with that little air pocket. Not really air because it's obviously has the holes on it, so it's not holding really any air. But rest of the shoe on point. Paint job. This midsole feels really nice as well, so it's super proper. Bottom of the shoe. So there's the right shoe. Left shoe says Nike Air on the back. That's basically the main difference, as we've seen with all of his collabs. You can see the distressing on the tongue. Super nice little detail right there. Jumpman for y'all to look at. So rest of the shoe looks on point, man. I don't really see no issues anywhere really with the shoe. So that's pretty much it, guys. Not gonna take too much longer on this video. Let me know y'all thoughts on the shoe in the comment section down below. Do I recommend WillsKicks? Of course. Time and time again, I've said he's one of the best sellers you can go with. He doesn't really go for all that just asking a billion questions. You see the quality on these videos. If you like what you see, buy from him. But if you're just gonna ask him 20-30 questions and then not buy anything, he's not one of those sellers that you can do that with. Really, he won't really handle it. But if you buy from him and you have any questions, feel free to throw them at him, because he is super awesome for that sort of stuff. So if you have any other questions, feel free, DM me on Instagram, ask me, follow me on Instagram. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, you want to stay updated on all the kicks coming out, I basically get every new pair of kicks when the UA drops, review them for you guys so you can get an early look in hand at what the shoe looks like, and then you guys can decide from there if you want to do UA, if you want to do retail, if you want to do neither, whatever the case may be. So with all that being said, thanks for all the love y'all be showing lately. More videos on the way as always. I'm gonna keep pushing. If my channel gets shut down some way somehow, of course there's gonna be a new one. Gonna have a bunch of re-uploads and continue striving for greatness, showing y'all how to stay ballin' on a budget. So hopefully y'all enjoy, hopefully y'all stay blessed, have an awesome day, have an awesome weekend, have an awesome week, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.